Hi guys, today I'll tell you a recipe for rejuvenating hand mask based on only natural ingredients. To prepare the mask you'll need 1 egg yolk, a tablespoon of liquid honey and a tablespoon of oat flour. Combine all components and mix thoroughly. Apply the resulting mess on clean hands and put on cotton or special cosmetic gloves. Leave the mask overnight. It dries off with warm water in the morning. To obtain the desired results, the procedure should be carried out regularly twice a week. The mask helps to eliminate wrinkles and sagging hands. It also restores the water balance and elasticity of the dermis.